The Fox Sister. The Korean folktale. A long time ago, in a mountain village, a kind boy and his mother lived together. The boy worked hard and helped his mother very well, but they were lonely. So the mother wished to have a daughter. The mother prayed every day. Dear heaven, please give me a pretty daughter. One day, a very pretty girl appeared in front of their house. She said,
Mommy, big brother.
The mother and boy were surprised, but very happy. The new sister was very kind and pretty. She helped with chores and sang beautiful songs.
It feels like a dream,
said the mother. But one day, the boy felt something strange. He saw his sister leave her room every night.
Where is she going? Why doesn't she say anything?
The boy became worried. One night, the boy secretly followed her. In the dark forest, the sister changed into a fox. The boy was shocked.
She's a fox sister.
The fox sister was pretending to be human and tricking the family. She lived by stealing their love and care. The boy was very sad, but he had to protect his mother. The boy told the village elders about the fox sister.
Really? Is that true?
Everyone was surprised. They all went into the forest to find the fox sister. When the people came, the fox sister growled and ran away.
Don't come near me again,
he shouted. Then she disappeared into the mountains. After that, the mother and the boy lived peacefully again.
It was scary, but I'm glad we protected our family,
said the boy. And so, the kind boy bravely protected his family from the fox sister. Please like and subscribe, it really helps me a lot. Thanks.